meal. Hiya.
Don't give me any of that higher stuff. Thanks to you clowns, we're back to scavenging scraps for a living.
Come on, it's not that bad. I enjoyed that weak dead elephant we had yesterday. Hey, how's Simba?
We gotta laugh every time we hear that dude's name.
Ooh, say it again. Simba.
Papa, you been cutting on.
One more time. Simba.
Simba!
That's enough. Go on then. See for yourself. Simba is one wishy-washy king.
Yeah, I bet about now even some of those high and mighty lionesses were wishing they'd gotten themselves a different king.